Today's defense news, the highlights. Seonics develops India's first indigenous throttle quadrant control grip assembly for AMCA program. Indian Army contingent departed for 6th edition of India-Japan Joint Military Exercise Dharma Guardian. Avantel bags contract from ISRO's commercial arm NSIL. JBI Aerospace and VIK-COMPOSITE partnered to boost India's composite industry. Mazagon Docks set to manufacture 6 German TKMS U-214NG submarines. Defense Ministry forms high-level panel to boost indigenous light fighter jet production. The global highlights. Iran's Navy enhances underwater warfare capabilities with new torpedo launch from Fateh submarine. Northrop Grumman signs MOU with Hanwha on helicopter-mounted mine detection system. USAir Force awards Pratt and Whitney $1.5 billion to keep F-22s flying. Let's have a look at the news in detail. Seonics Southern Electronics is a defense manufacturer of indigenous communication and avionics system for aircraft and helicopters. It has developed India's first throttle quadrant control grip assembly for the AMCA. The grip has magnetic friction control technology as per the pilot requirements. The ground run has been tested with a GE turbofan engine. Seonics has also developed side sticks for the AMCA program. Both the products have been evaluated by the pilots and it has been approved. ADA has already given the product order and the company is gearing up to supply the crucial component for India's next 5th generation platform. Seonics has been involved in developing India's first throttle quadrant for the AMCA with references to a pilot control grip similar to that used in Tejas Mark 1A. Additionally, L&T is noted to be involved in designing and developing throttle quadrant assemblies for AMCA. The 6th edition of India-Japan Joint Military Exercise Dharma Guardian is scheduled to be conducted in East Fuji Maneuver Training Area of Japan from 24th February to 9th of March. Exercise Dharma Guardian is an annual event conducted alternatively in India and Japan. The last edition of the same exercise was conducted in Rajasthan in February-March 24. The Indian contingent, comprising 120 personnel, will be represented mainly by the troops from a battalion of the Madras Regiment, along with the troops from other arms and services. The Japan Ground Self-Defense Force contingent, also comprising similar strength, will be represented by the 34th Infantry Regiment. Aim of the exercise is to enhance interoperability between the two forces while undertaking joint urban warfare and counter-terrorism operations under the UN mandate. Avantel Limited has secured a significant contract from New Space India Limited, the commercial arm of ISRO. The contract, valued at 43.25 crores, involves the supply, installation and commissioning of devices for expanders. In addition to this contract, Avantel has also received a comprehensive annual maintenance contract worth Rs 5.81 crores for the maintenance of wind profiler radar systems at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. This contract is scheduled for execution until January 2030. Avantel specializes in various high-tech solutions including satellite communications, HF communications and radar systems catering primarily to defense and aerospace sectors. The company is actively expanding its portfolio with new developments in software-defined radios and other advanced communication technologies. JBI Aerospace has partnered with VIK-COMPOSITE to develop the Indian composite industry, which will mainly cater to the aerospace, space, and defense sectors, aiming to reduce cost, shorten lead times, and enhance local composite manufacturing capabilities. The collaboration will focus on manufacturing, material processing, and market strategies to advance composite industry in the Indian market. The joint partnership will also support the local composite industry and enhance indigenous manufacturing capabilities through innovation and collaboration. JBI is one of the leading single-window, best-in-class stockists and suppliers of high-tech, non-metallic and metallic products to the aerospace industry. It is a global company with its footprint in India, US, UK and Israel, with proven servicing capabilities worldwide. VIK-COMPOSITE is a German company that specializes in the manufacturing and supply of ancillary materials, equipment and tools for the production of composite parts. It was founded in 2008 and has established itself as a reliable partner in the European Union, the CIS states and Asia. The company is known for its innovative solutions and high quality products which cater to various industries including aerospace, automotive and wind energy. Mazagon Docks has confirmed the plans to manufacture six advanced German ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems U-214NG submarines. This development follows the recent approval from the Ministry of Defence highlighting a significant expansion in the Indian naval capabilities. MDL has announced that it will not require further expansion to accommodate this project as it already possesses the capacity to construct up to 11 submarines simultaneously. This capacity includes not only the construction of new vessels but also the refitting of existing Scorpene class submarines which are due for upgrades with air independent propulsion systems. The contract stipulates that the TKMS submarines must be delivered within 7 years, setting a completion target for 2032. The approximate cost of the six German TKMS U-214NG submarines that MDL will manufacture is estimated to be around $2.5 billion. This estimate is based on the cost of similar submarines and the scope of the project. The Defense Ministry has formed a committee led by the Defense Secretary to enhance production of indigenous LCA jets and increase private sector involvement. Currently, the Hindustan Aeronautics manufactures the jets, but delays have occurred due to supply issues. Private companies may be involved in setting up new production lines to fulfill a potential order for 97 additional jets. Now, some global news. According to information published by the Iranian Mehr news agency, during the operational phase of the Army's joint Zolfaqar 1403 exercise, the Wal Fajr war torpedoes were successfully launched from the Fateh submarine. This launch, which also saw the deployment of the torpedo from multiple submarines, including the Tariq and Ghadir class vessels, highlights the operational readiness and increasing sophistication of Iran's submarine force. Northrop Grumman has signed a memorandum of understanding with Hanwha to produce components of the AN/AES-1 airborne laser mine detection system ALMDS for South Korea's mine countermeasure helicopters. Under the agreement, Hanwha will support the manufacturing of hardware components of the ALMDS for the Republic of Korea's mine countermeasures helicopter program. The ALMDS is a recoverable system designed to detect, classify, and locate floating and near surface moved mines. According to Northrop Grumman, the ALMDS is capable of untethered day or night operations which allow it to attain high area search rates. In the case of Korea Aerospace Industries mine countermeasures helicopter, which is due to be equipped with the ALMDS, the system is positioned on the lower port side of the helicopter and designed to be lowered into the water by the helicopter's carriage stream tow and recovery system, the CSTRS. ALMDS also provides accurate target geolocation to support follow-on neutralization of the detected mines. In August 24, Northrop Grumman also signed an MOU with Genoko for manufacturing ALMDS hardware components. USAir Force has awarded Pratt and Whitney a contract worth up to $1.5 billion to continue sustaining the F119 engine that powers the service's F-22 Raptor stealth fighters. The sustainment contract for Pratt's F119 spans 3 years, according to the company, covering more than 400 power plants. The single-seat F-22 flies with two engines and is often hailed for its ability to supercruise or soar at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.